my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start English chapter number 12, The Story of Saint Teresa. एक कहानी है सेंट यानी संत मदर टेरेसा. मीनल was sitting in the porch of her house. मीनल जो है पोर्च अपने घर पे पोर्च पे बैठी थी. She was very sad. Her mother bought a glass of milk for her and asked, "Why are you looking so sad?" उसकी मम्मी जो है उसके लिए ग्लास दूध लेके आए. उन्हें पूछा कि तुम दुखी क्यों हो? I have been watching you since yesterday. You don't share your tidbits related to your friends. Meena answered in a very sad tone. Mom, yesterday we had one newcomer in the classroom. You will be surprised to know he has no father. Okay, वो कह रही है कि जो आप जो है मुझसे कुछ भी शेयर नहीं करती है मम्मा. उसने कहा कि उसकी मदर ने कहा कि मुझसे शेयर करो क्या बात. उसने कहा कि मम्मा कल हमारे स्कूल में एक नया स्टूडेंट आया और उसके फादर नहीं और उसकी मम्मी भी नहीं है. I fail to understand who will take care of him. Okay, मैं जो है ये समझने में फेल हो गई इसकी देखभाल कौन करता है. Who will teach him when he goes back to home? Who will give him food to eat? Said Meenal. Anju, Meenal's mother, understood the reason of Meenal's sadness and answered, "No worries, we must be undertaken care by nurse." उसने कहा कि घर आने के बाद कौन उसे होमवर्क कराता होगा, कौन उसे खाना देता होगा. तो उसकी मम्मा ने कहा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, उसकी टेक केयर करने की भी जो नन है वो नन. What they? मीनल ने पूछा कि वो कौन होती है. None are me to take care of the orphan children. Their main purpose is to help the poor orphan children. You will feel pleasure to know about the great saint nun of this world. Her name is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was born in 1910 in Macedonia. Her birth name was Agnes Gonza Buzakyu tha, and she was the youngest of three children of her parents. Her parents were Albanian and deeply religious. So they taught their children to always help people in need. उनके पेरेंट्स उनको हमेशा सिखाते थे कि जो जरूरतमंद बच्चे होते हैं, इंसान होते हैं, उनकी हमें हमेशा मदद करनी चाहिए. When Agnes was 8, her father died and she became very close to her mother. Agnes did well at school, but at the age of 12, she knew that she wanted to live a religious life. She left home at 18 to become a nun with the sister of Lorraine. Agnes first went to Ireland to learn English and then moved to India. A year later, she never saw her mother or sister again. ठीक है? Well, Agnes took her first vows. She chose the name Sister Teresa after Saint Teresa of Lisieux, the patron saint of missionaries. Another nun at the convent had chosen the name Teresa, so Agnes used the Spanish spelling Teresa. Okay. She then became Mother Teresa when she took her final vows in 1937. Mother Teresa believed that education was a way out of poverty. She taught geography at a local convent school in Calcutta, where she worked for 18 years, eventually became the headmistress. Although she enjoyed teaching, Mother Teresa was worried about the poor people of Calcutta. When Mother Teresa was teaching poor children in the city of Calcutta, she had no books or writing materials. Instead, she taught children to read and write by making marks in the dirt with wooden sticks. अब वो क्या करती थी, उनके पास कोई साधन नहीं था पढ़ाने के लिए, वो जो है स्टिक से मिट्टी में जो है बच्चों को पढ़ाया करती थी. She also taught children how to care for themselves. Mother Teresa worked extremely hard, often sleeping just 4 hours a night and walking at 4 a.m. to work and pray. In 1946, she had a religious experience and said that Jesus had asked her to work in the city's slums. 2 years later, the local Archbishop and the Pope granted Mother Teresa permission to leave her convent. She began to wear a simple white and blue sari. She had no food for lodgings, but she begged for food and other supplies to help the poor. People began to donate to her cause, and in 1950, Mother Teresa founded a religious community of her own called the Missionaries of Charity. She also set up an open-air school, hospitals, orphanage, and a leper colony, as well as health clinics and homes for the disabled. Mother Teresa worked almost up to her death at the age of 87. By then, the Missionaries of Charity had become an international organization with over 4,000 members working in 123 countries. She received many awards for her work, including the Nobel Peace Prize, In 1979, instead of going to the traditional Nobel honor banquet, Mother Teresa asked that the money for this event, USS $192,000, be donated to the poor. Whatever the occasion, her only wish was to have those less fortunate, thus hence herself. Minor understood and felt relaxed to know that boat takes care of everyone. So, spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. Okay? So, she's Mother Teresa's very helping woman. So, dear students, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understand full chapter. So, we will meet you the next class. Thank you, everyone.